I'm back with Dr. L, and we're now talking lymphatic for your face because who doesn't want to look snatched?
How people can get a snatched jawline. And they asked me about these compression face things or face masks that people use. Well, it's not really effective. Lymphatic drainage is actually more effective for a snatched jawline.
Because that's compression versus lymphatic drainage getting movement in your face. All right, so we're gonna show you how to get a snatched jawline in case you're not with your esthetician.
I do it myself every day. I'm 50 and a snatched jawline, it takes work. I use my fingertips.
I focus on using my thumbs because I think it's easier if you're doing it on yourself, but in facials, I use my fingertips on a client.
So you start here at your submental lymph nodes, and then you go to your submandibular lymph nodes, then your parotid lymph nodes, and you just give it, I do, clears out the excess fluid and the heaviness that usually gathers around the jaw area.
And now I'm going to show you what it looks like if Dr. L's in a treatment bed and getting it done by me. And I normally start doing just a little pulse, but then I go along the area and they're kind of like little tappies. My fingertips tap and I gently glide and push the fluid the entire time. Get down to the ear, do a little pulse, and my hands then flip at the ear and come down. So they start here, and by the end of the movement, they're flipped like this, and then I scoop them like that. So it's really hard to do that on yourself standing in a mirror, but on a client, I can get a little bit more of like a wave effect. I get a little faster with the movement, and it starts to kind of look like a wave. My fingers feel like they're doing ballet. So they start to go like this. If you see on the side, they cascade up, and then this pointer finger, I flick up on the side.
Feels really good. While you're adding more serum, I'm just going to clear my throat. That's another indication that it's working. You're draining it. So you might feel, even when you're doing it on yourself, that you might need to clear your throat.
Lots of focus on the chin, pulse down. Sometimes I stand up so I can get my hands in a different position down the sides of the neck. And then oftentimes in facial, this will morph this move into also a full side cheek massage and an effleurage up the side then, and continue to pull back towards the ear, and my fingers V like this and scoop like that. And that's how I start the jaw snatch.